Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm taking you along with me to Ikea so I can share with you all of the best hidden gems you probably didn't know existed. There are so many products at Ikea, it can be very overwhelming, but trust me, they have a lot more than just plain furniture. They have lifestyle products, pet products, just all of the best clever home things that you need for your space. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorites and definitely some things that you should pick up next time you're at Ikea. I'm headed over right now because I just got the text from Ikea that my pickup order is ready. That's my first tip. If you are shopping at Ikea and want to save yourself time and effort shopping around that warehouse, just use the pickup option. It's absolutely free. I ordered things online and I can show up. It's already going to be ready on a rollout cart and I can just stick it in the car. So take advantage of that. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and head to Ikea. If you have a small kitchenette in your home or workplace and you don't have room for a full stovetop and cooktop, you can actually get one of these plug-in portable induction cooktops. These are super easy to use, they take up very minimal space, you can even store them away, and for $69.99 you pretty much can cook all of your food. So I think this is so genius, especially if you live in a small New York apartment and don't have a full kitchen. You can find this amazing little find in the kitchen section. Hidden away in the mattress section, I found the best thing for hot sleepers. If you want to protect your mattress but also add some extra comfort, they have this cooling mattress protector. This wraps right around your existing mattress and actually gives a cooling effect. I've shown the IKEA cooling pillow as well as the cooling pad, but this is an entire mattress cover that can fit across your entire bed. It's $69.99 for the queen size, and it's the perfect addition to just add to your existing mattress or mattress pad. So this is going to protect your mattress at the same time as keeping you cool at night. As the months get warmer, you can stay cooler with this mattress protector. Something you'll see a lot of in custom kitchens are roll-out garbage drawers. These are so convenient to have, but not every kitchen has that built into it. So you can actually create the exact same experience right underneath your sink by using this roll-out garbage and recycling frame. This is $26.99 and you can install it to the bottom of your cabinet right underneath your sink, and that way you can roll it in and out with ease. This allows you to divide up your recycling and your garbage. You can easily lift these bins in and out, and it creates that luxurious custom feel. So you can absolutely add these to any kitchen to really create a high-end feel. It keeps things organized and so much cleaner than just having loose bins. So if you want to tidy up underneath your sink, this would be the best place to start. If you're looking for the best solution for storing toys or clutter away in playrooms, bedrooms, or really any room around your home, these IKEA toy storage bins are the best. They actually double as a bench, but they roll out and store a ton of toys away underneath. They're super easy to use, they keep everything really clean and clutter-free, and they're pretty dual purpose as well. You can style them with blankets and pillows on top to create a bench lounge space and use the bottom as storage. You can add bins for extra organization. I've bought these before and actually painted them, so they're really customizable. You can add handles, add cushions on top, but they're a very versatile piece that's going to keep a ton of clutter away for you. Favorite new finds in the bathroom section is actually this new waffle robe. They have all of these new spa accessories to add to your bathroom, and this is one of those lifestyle products that IKEA really nailed. It's super soft, it feels like you're wearing a textured blanket, and it's just $27.99. It actually has the perfect length to it, shorter sleeves, and I think it's the perfect thing to just get ready in for the day. So they've recently added all of these great pieces to the bathroom section, these reusable face pads, they have an eye mask, they even have these really great exfoliators. I've recently bought them and they are perfect for the shower. Now, if you have deep drawers in your kitchen that you want to better organize, you can get one of these drawer inserts that holds all of your bowls and plates in all different sizes. It's very customizable because it's kind of like a pegboard, and you can configure it in any way you want to organize that drawer. So I love how you can store so many things, nothing's on top of each other, and it keeps all of your dishes in place so that they're not moving around and bumping into each other. This is such a great affordable option to create that custom feel in all the drawers of your kitchen. You can always find some interesting things in the kids section. They have an entire aisle here that's filled with home safety. So they have all of the right plugs and locks and door stops to make your home safe for kids and babies. These outlet inserts are a must. You can still use the outlet while they're plugged in, so that makes it really usable for everyone. They even have these corner bumps that really soften the corners of your tables around your home, and these really cool door stops. So these are going to prop your doors open and keep them locked in place so that you won't get any fingers stuck in the door and you won't have doors completely shut. So these are the perfect solution if you want to keep a door propped open. Now, if you wanted to add some extra comfort to any hard chair or bench around your home, Ikea sells these little cushions that have grip on the bottom. They're super minimal, there's no ties to them. They come in both beige and black, and you can add them to any hard surface around your home and turn it into an instant comfortable chair. So they're $9.99 each, and I think they're great for little solutions like this to create instant sitting spots, and that extra grip on the bottom holds the little seat in place so it's not slipping around. They're very minimal. You can bring them out when you need them and put them away when you don't. Now, something you should never skip past at Ikea are their large cutting boards. You can get a stylish, heavy, large cutting board for such a great price from Ikea. They have a ton of selection, but this specific cutting board is my favorite. I think it has such a great shape. It can be hung from a hook, it can be styled against your countertop, or it could be used as a tray to kind of corral a bunch of items in your kitchen. It's super stylish. I have it in my home and get a ton of compliments on it, so I think it's absolutely one of the best finds in the kitchen section. If you've always wanted a chalkboard in your kitchen, but you don't want the dust and mess that comes with it, you need to get these Ikea chalkboard markers. These are just $4, and they allow you to have pretty writing on your chalkboard. They're super easy to control, they're very bright, and they look so much better than using just chalk. So the secret to a pretty chalkboard is chalkboard markers, and you can pick them up at Ikea. I think everyone is trying to find more space for their shoes, and sometimes shoe racks just don't cut it. So you can get these shoe stackers that allow you to actually store multiple shoes in one small space. They stack like this with one shoe on the bottom and one on top, and this little shoe stacker is just $149. Super affordable to get your space more organized. Lastly, I found my new favorite thing, these little plug-in night lights. These are light sensitive, so they turn on and off themselves when they sense light. So while it's dark in your home, these will automatically turn on so that you don't have to worry about them. They come in a pack of 2 for $8.99, and they're very minimal. They're not an eyesore, so once they're plugged in around your home, you barely notice them, but at night you can enjoy some nice light. So these are perfect for bathrooms or hallways around your home in case you get up in the middle of the night.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on what you should look for next time you're at Ikea. It's such a large store. I know it can be very overwhelming, so I love breaking everything down for you guys and showing you all the best pieces. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing to get at Ikea is. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!